So I've been rendering my wax cappings, as you saw in one of the videos, with my steamer box. Well, the cappings that I did yesterday were covered in honey, and I just put them in there and started steaming them, which created a bucket of baker's honey and some wax, but it also created a bee problem in the garden again. I had to move my chuckins again, but now my chuckins are in between it all, because we've got some here where I was steaming it and the bees are going mad for it, and then down the bottom where I put the bloody tub, I've tipped all the honey that come out into a bucket, because I intend to feed bees at the farms with that. Don't really want all these rogue little buggers eating it all, and I can feed it back to the bees at the aperies. Yeah, it's caused a bit of a bee problem again. It's the problem with doing it in your garden. Doing anything in your garden with bees or honey causes bee chaos. So I'm going to shift it onto the trolley, shift it all down there, and then wheel the chickens back up right up here out of the way, because they're all hiding, look. So I've moved everything because there's bees everywhere. Bump into the windows and everything. They're everywhere. So I've moved the chickens as well. They're a bit more happy now. I even cut the grass to try and mull up some of the smell. But I've moved everything to the bottom, and look at this. Crazy! And they're all going in the steamer box, so I can't steam it, the rest of it, to get it done. They'll clean that up though. And they'll clean all that up, and I'll be dealt with that. I've got a bucket full of it to go up to the farm, that I'll feed the bees up there, in the tops, in the liquid feeders. So I've got to go up anyway to do that newspaper combined. And then I'll have to steam the rest of that wax tonight and ship it out. I'll probably put it in the back of my truck once I've done it. My chickens are hiding. I'm not surprised though. That's a sure sign that there's nothing out there for the bees. Mass feeding frenzy. I've not even got bees within Desborough. There's none of my bees are within the town anymore. They're all on the outskirts of the town. There is someone up there with apiary with about 30 hives in it. And now I do know there's wild bees in a wall in a house just a couple of streets away. So could my bees from outside of Desborough be coming to clear it up? I very doubt it, but you don't know. But that's a sure sign the season's over, really, when they're feeding like that. And there's nothing else for them. Easy dinner.